It was a bright and sunny afternoon. A little boy named Jake was playing in the park with his red kite. He loved to watch the kite fly high in the sky. The wind was strong, and the kite moved up and down, left and right. Jake laughed. "This is so much fun," he said. He ran faster to keep the kite flying. The wind blew harder, and suddenly the string slipped from Jake's hand. "Oh no, my kite!" Jake shouted. He watched as the kite flew away with the wind. It went over the trees and disappeared from his sight. Jake felt sad. "I have to find my kite," he thought. He started to run toward the trees. As he walked into the forest, he saw a little girl sitting on a rock. She had a pink dress and long brown hair. "Hello," she said with a smile. "Why are you running?" "I lost my kite. It flew away," Jake said. The girl stood up. "I can help you. My name is Lily. Let's find it together." Jake and Lily walked deeper into the forest. They looked in the bushes and behind the trees. Suddenly, they heard a sound. "Look!" Lily pointed to a tree. The red kite was stuck on a branch. Jake was happy, but the kite was too high. "How can we get it down?" he asked. Lily had an idea. "Let's find a long stick," she said. They looked around and found a big stick. Jake reached up and pushed the kite gently. After a few tries, the kite fell down. "Hooray!" Jake cheered. "Thank you, Lily. You are a great friend." Lily smiled. Friends always help each other. Jake and Lily ran back to the park. They took turns flying the kite. The sun shined and the wind blew softly. They laughed and played until it was time to go home. Jake waved goodbye. "See you tomorrow, Lily." Lily waved back. "See you, Jake. Let's fly the kite again." Jake went home feeling happy. He learned that adventures are more fun with friends. The end. If you want to do more listening practice, don't forget to subscribe.